Hello and welcome to this video in which we will look at PowerPoint's Rehearse with a Coach feature. I am Kyle Krenz, a Technology Integrationist with SWWC. We all know that one thing that can bring anxiety to individuals is presenting in front of groups or other people. This can be especially true for students. The old adage of practice in front of a mirror using today's technology can look differently. Students today often are asked to present their findings of a project or a speech to their classmates. PowerPoint has a feature that allows for individuals to practice their presentation with a created slideshow and receive feedback on what they could improve upon before presenting live in front of an audience. You can open your PowerPoint slideshow on either the cloud-based version or the desktop downloaded version of PowerPoint to access this feature. Once open, go to the Slideshow tab, then click the Rehearse with Coach feature option. Once selected, your slideshow will open into a full-screen presentation mode. In addition, you may be prompted to allow PowerPoint to access your device's microphone to be used within PowerPoint if not previously enabled. From there, you need to practice your speech or presentation using your created slideshow. And as you go through it, it will provide real-time feedback as you progress. But the greatest amount of feedback comes to you once you complete your slideshow presentation. A window will open in which it will give you information about things like pacing, what filler words you use too often, what words, if any, that you repeat too often, the level of inclusiveness in your tone and word usage, amongst other items. Those other items include providing feedback on the speech refinement, what words or phrases you could change to make your delivery more refined. It will also have examples on the screen from the particular slide and or the change to make that occur. It also looks at your tone or pitch of your voice to make sure that you are loud enough and not using a monotone. Additionally, it will look at for originality, meaning if the user is just reading words off the screen or if they are coming up with words that are not present on the slideshow. This is a key feedback for students who often, when using a slideshow, just read off of them when in front of a crowd presenting. Once the user is done looking at the feedback, they have the option to rehearse again and see if the feedback changes or return to their slideshow to make any additional changes or additions to the slides. Hopefully your students find this to be a helpful tool for them in improving their presentation skills. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.